Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TeiJae. It's your girl TeiJae. I am back with a Fashion Nova jean haul. So that is what we're doing today. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click your notifications to make sure you're not missing another upload from me, myself, and I. So I'm just gonna hop right into the video. Alright guys, so the first pair of jeans I have is the Luxe Glam high waist skinny jeans. These are dark denim. I do have them in a size 15. These are what the jeans looks like overall, as you guys can see. Of course, due to your shape and the size and the material of the jeans, it's a whole bunch of different things that factor into how your jeans will fit. I love these jeans. I love that they have a stretch to them. Now the pockets on these do work. As you guys can see, there are 2 pockets right here and they both work. Everything is functioning. The zipper works, the button works as well. Okay, so the next one I have is the Simpler Time skinny jeans. These are dark denim as well. These are in a size 15 as well. And these And these are what the jeans look like overall. Are the bottoms. Okay, so these are like a super, these are like a fit pair of jeans. These jeans again have stretched in the waist area, but when it comes down to the hip section, it stretches, but I think I could have went up a size because it was like stretched to the maximum where it couldn't stretch no more. So it depends. Again, if you're very hippie, I would advise you go up another size, because I went up from a 13 to a 15 and I probably would need to go up one more size just to get in these comfortably. If you guys like your jeans super hugging you, then these jeans will be perfect, but me personally, I don't. I like a little room in mine. The pockets on these jeans as well are faux. The back pockets do work, of course. The length was definitely true to length. They're more so, you could cuff them if you want to, but I think it was just like a perfect length. So yeah, I don't have any problems with these. These are some just basic blue jeans. I haven't had blue jeans like basic in a long time, like since high school. Okay, so these next pair of jeans are the Glistening Jeans. This is another dark denim. It's a size 15, and this is just what they look like overall. They do have distressed down. The ends are very cuffed, which you can take it out, and this is just the back. The jeans are very stretched. Like I said, I live for stretched jeans, y'all. I like the comfort in them. I like to be able to move around. I don't like to be just not moving in my jeans. These were super cute, y'all. I love the stretch look. These were just like one of my faves, and especially the cuffs at the end. Like I said, you can remove the cuffs, but I just like the cuffs, and these were just at A+ in my book. The pockets do work in the front as well. A lot of stretch. Okay, a lot of stretch. So I still had room to move even after it's stretched to get me in. So these are so cute. These are one of my faves. Okay guys, so the next pair of jeans is Don't Push Me cargo jeans. Okay, I love cargo pants. This is a medium blue wash, and this is in the size 15. Okay, and this is what they look like. They're very cute. And these are the bottoms in the back. No pocket look. Okay, I haven't had no pocket jeans since high school, like seriously, like a high school. These pants were a little bit too big though. They have a lot of stretch, especially in the waist area. Be mindful of reading like description and all that stuff in the section when you're looking at your jeans. I always make sure the jeans say stretch. But y'all, these was fire. These were fire. I can actually see this as a fit. They have pockets right here as well that work, but like I said, these were a little bit too big in the waist, but I don't mind. Put a belt on or just leave them as. I don't think it was really that bad. But these are another one of my favorites. Like, Fashion Nova just comes in clutch all the time when it comes for jeans. It's just, they are just bad company. Okay, so the next pair of jeans, I love these jeans, y'all. These are the Flex Game Strong high-rise skinny jeans. This is dark wash. The size of this is a 14. I didn't need to go up 2 sizes. I'm so glad I did, because these fit perfectly. They weren't too tight and they weren't too loose either, but I love these jeans. These were one of my favorites. This is what it looks like overall. Okay, and it's just a basic wash, a little anklet, like the bottoms are anklets, and this is the back. As you guys can see, stretch. These are 14 though. 14 were, like I said, the 14, depending on the jeans, okay? The pockets in the front don't work at all. But y'all, cute. And I think, yeah, I think I already have a pair of dark denim jeans, but they weren't high-waisted like these fire. All right, so the next one, I have Sunrise Mornings ankle jeans. This is a vintage blue wash. This is in the size 15. And since, let me tell you about these. I love the lines right there. Oh, is that a bug? This is what they look like. And then they're cuffed at the end, which you can take this out if you don't want it in, but I'm not. And the other leg, just a little distress here and there. Cuffed at the back. Now, this is the back. I noticed that the pockets have distress design in it too. And one thing, if you put quarters or something in here, it's gonna roll out, so do be cautious of it, okay? I don't know if they print all the jeans in this, you know, put the distress pattern in the same spot on all the jeans, don't know, but these do have holes in them, so just be mindful of that. These fit perfect as well. It has stretch, as you guys can see in the waist. Like I said, yeah, these have stretch to them as well. I love the anklets. Like with ankle jeans, you can more so, they look cuter with heels to me. But like I said, I didn't really have no shoes here. I only had flats in my forces, so that's why I wore what I wore. But ankle jeans to me look bomb with some heels. You can style them, and yeah, they're just that type of jeans. Okay, so my next pair of jeans was my favorite pair of jeans because I love these so much. These are the Don't Kill My Vibe Distressed Boyfriend jeans. This is a medium blue wash, and this is in the size 15. Now, I thought these were gonna fit even more because the 13s, I couldn't even get my leg in, okay? But I get, like I said, depending on your shape, depending on what you're working with, they're gonna fit different. So these are what they look like. The pockets, let me just show you guys first. Okay, distressed, and they're cuffed at the bottom, which of course, like I keep saying, you can take those out if you do not want those in. And this is the back of the jeans. And to me, I just personally love boyfriend jeans because I love the baggy, the looseness of, you know, that type of jean. But on me, they was tight and I was mad. Like, I was like, these are my favorite pair of jeans. And as you guys, but they were really cute. All the pockets and stuff worked. Everything was functioning. And if I did say that in the other pieces of the haul, they all worked. Okay, I will let you guys know if the zippers and stuff didn't work, but they all function. This is the only pair of light jeans. I thought I had other light jeans, but I ended up doing like a denim, a dark denim theme. This next one is Flex Game Strong Low Rise Skinny Jeans. This is the Bleach Blue Wash, and this is a size 13. Now y'all, these are what they look like overall. Okay, the bottoms are like ankles, and this is the back, and it's just like I said, a bleach wash. It's like a light blue. The pockets don't work. Okay, the pockets don't work. They're like jeggings. Y'all know jeggings got the faux pockets in the front. Y'all, these fit so good, but I like these as well. I think they're the same as the other high-rise jeans that I have, but y'all, these are in the 13, so I feel like they fit better than the other ones. But I love them. These jeans have a lot of stretch, as you guys can see. A lot of room, a lot of stretch, and that's, like I said, that's the key thing I look for in my jeans, because I need all the room that I can get. So if you're very, very hippie, you can actually get your normal size, whatever size you normally wear, you could get that as well, and with these specific jeans, because they're gonna fit. Okay, I found the paper. These are the Mystery Solve Extreme Bell Bottom, color black of course, and in the size 13. And y'all, these are so freaking cute. I love these jeans. Let me show you guys what they look like. I know it look crazy when they're not buttoned up, and they look small. Like, I thought I wasn't gonna get in them because of how, you know, small and petite they look. But since these bad boys got a lot of stretch to them. On the knee area, it does have the stretch pattern, and when it gets towards the end, as you guys can see, it has the flares out at the bottom, and that's just so, like, you can dress this up or dress this down. Now these pants are extremely long. I'm 5'4½", and these are long. So when I wear flats, they drag the ground. When I wear heels, they still drag in the ground, just a smidget. So if you're short, be mindful of how these are gonna drag the ground because they're so long. But I feel like I love flare, anything flared, and they're so cute. They look like they don't have stretch at all. Like, but when you stretch these bad boys and put them on, it just hugs every shape and curve that you have, and it just makes you look amazing. These were one of my faves. I had I love all of them and all, but I had, like, you know how you have some favorites? Like, I would wear these every day, all day, and don't care. These would be one of them, but it would be too noticeable. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys thought. Let me know which pair was your favorite, and if you're thinking about copying some of these jeans yourself. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, your girl, see you later. Bye guys.